Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here at Institution Effects. I hope you're all doing well. I actually took this trade. I'm gonna get straight into it. I can't lie to you guys. I took this trade on EU way before I started this recording, and then I had to go do a few things. So I thought I'd come back and still make a recording and talk about why I took this trade, what led me to take this trade, and all those kind of things. So looking at EU on the weekly, I'm not gonna go too much into it. It's in the weekly breakdown. I am bullish, and I've also got dollar on another chart, as you'll be able to see now. This is my dollar chart. We've got the Asian range low, London low, New York reversal. I am looking for price to genuinely dump. We do have news as well. We've had one batch of news already. Just waiting for the second batch at 1:30. About one second, guys. Yep. So again, we got the turtle soup scenario over here. We've got nice equal highs, split it from the New York Midnight Open, and we had the breaker. We got a nice fair value gap, which I took a buy from, and we are now just waiting for the longs to take place. So I do think that 1:30 news in about 10 minutes should allow price to really, just go higher and break through these equal highs. Because I know there's a lot of buy stops resting there. So, and then they may do a reversal from there. Who knows? But like I said, it's nice, quick, sweet, and simple and short that we are going for these highs. That's it. So about 15 pip stop for 23 pips. So it's not a complete one term 2R. And also, if we take into consideration of the advanced breaker theory, we've got -3 standard deviation there as well, just in perfect tandem with this equal high to the pip. So quite confident in this trade. But apart from that, guys, to be honest, you take a trade, you completely emotionally block yourself out of it, and you just let it go. To be honest, is the best thing to do, which is what I'm doing now. So just waiting for price to do its thing. Not meddling with the stop loss, not meddling with the take profit, nothing like that. Just simply allowing price to do what it wants. And another thing that boosts my confidence is the fact that I have DXY and another screen just open. Normally when I take a trade, I like to have another pair open. So if I'm taking EU as a buy or a sell, I prefer to have DXY open as opposed to GU, because DXY and EU, the way they move opposite to each other, it's just amazing. To be completely honest with you guys, so I like to just have them open. I have GU open as well, to be honest. I do like to have a look at GU as well. It's quite a decent pair to trade. But my focus right now is EU. That is my main focus today. Going for a nice 23 pips. And after this trade, that's me done for the week, guys. It'll be my first trade of the week and my last trade of the week. To be honest with you guys, same trade is taken on my live account, on my other screen. So again, keeping it nice and simple. And I guess that's what trading is really about, guys. Is don't rush the process, don't rush it. Just take that trade that's got higher probability. For me, this is a very high probability trade because it has the confluences I look for in a trade and the way it respects the opposition to DXY is another thing I really like as well. So yeah, like I said, guys, quick, simple, and short. In this video, if you do see this video get speed ramped to a certain extent, it's only because I don't want you guys to be sitting here for a very long time, just to be listening to nothing. So I might just put some music on, or I might just speed ramp it, or I might just give it the full whack of the video because I've only been recording for 7 minutes. Normally, if the videos get to like an hour, half an hour and there's a lot of silences, I normally just speed ramp them for you, so it's easier for you guys to watch. But if in this case I can't speed ramp it because there might not be a point, I might just leave it so you guys can watch the full whack and enjoy how silent I am during my trades. But I guess for the purpose of this video, I might just keep talking. But let's see. I think 130 news. So by the time you get above here, I don't care. I just want to get out my trade. I don't care if it goes flying or if it reverses, because I do think the 130 news will have a decent impact on what's about to come. But again, we can only analyze and predict. Can never be 100% certain in the marketplace. Again, I'm going for no partials here. I'm going for a straight trade, either SL or take profit. Normally, if I was in a place where I was going for pips that are further away, I would definitely have taken some partials at this point here, above this high. But like I said, I'm going for these equal highs. I don't see why they should leave those. And I think if the news in 5 minutes, boom, might just blow through those. Like I said, I have DXY open on another chart. Literally right here. I have the dollar index. Um, so I'm just looking at that at the same time. Possible fair value gap to be created. Uh, if you split this, that's a curve. You've got the sell side of the curve, take this consolidation, take that across, fair value gap, possibility of forming or some sort of order block, any kind of block, and then might use that to go higher, or it may just come down and go higher. But normally I do look for that in my trades as well. The reason I'm quiet, guys, is because I'm monitoring the 1 minute charts as well at the same time, and DXY on the 5 minute. Just looking to see, because this spike down looks more like a manipulation. And I'm just looking to see because the fair value gap that I mentioned to you guys. What the hell? I want it to hold. So look, news manipulation comes in, goes down. We allow that. Okay. News is the only time we allow things like this to overextend. On a normal price action without news, this is not allowed. Now we don't want a massive close below the fair value gap. You see how we're closing inside the fair value gap? That's okay. That's not a problem. The problem is if you go down and you close somewhere here, then you're in trouble. Again, like I said, I got DXY on another screen as well, which I'm just monitoring. Dollar still hasn't taken out its low. It's very close to taking out the Asian range low. Show you guys quickly. That's DXY right now. It's very close to taking out them lows. Guys, do not let this. Don't like. When I first started trading, and I see a lot of traders do this, they let things like this panic them. Like they want one. Like how do I explain this? Why am I stuttering? We all just want, ideally, one or two candles, boom, straight up and hit take profit. The reality is, you're gonna see a lot of, like if you're gonna 1 minute, you've got downwards candles, you've got upwards candles, downwards candles, upwards candles. Um, it takes its time, you know. In an ideal world, yes, after this news release, boom, 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 done. We should be done. But in trading, you'd have to allow price to go against you a little bit, and just do its thing. To be honest, like we are now. So just patiently waiting. This can be the most annoying thing, if I'm honest. It does get annoying when it's like so close to a take profit, and you're just like, it's just like, how many pips away is it from the take profit? 6, 7 pips, and it just wants to take its bloody time. But this is why it's essential to have something like DXY open, if I'm honest, because it allows me to, there we go, and it's going for the take profit. There we go, guys. Lovely, lovely trade. Um, Again, like I was saying, it's just good to have DXY open because it allows you to actually see the trade. It allows you to look at EU and think, okay, this is what EU is going for. This is what DXY is doing, and it just makes it easier to look at the difference. But apart from that, guys, I thank you all for watching. I will do more videos like this for you guys. Other than that, take care, guys.